Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes easily. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready, like flour, sugar, eggs, and a muffin tin. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's at the correct temperature when your batter is ready. Then, line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring your cupcakes don't stick. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth baking process. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients such as milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising. Once your cupcakes are baked, the next step is crucial for perfect frosting. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. Attempting to frost warm cupcakes will result in melted, messy frosting. While they cool, prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a classic buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting. Once cooled, pipe or spread the frosting onto each cupcake. Finish with a sprinkle of your favorite edible decorations for that extra special touch. And there you have it, delicious, easy-to-make cupcakes. To keep them fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature. They're best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days for optimal flavor and texture. Remember, baking should be fun and simple, and these steps ensure a delightful treat every time. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after baking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.